So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy crypto with cash here on MetaMask. So once you're on the MetaMask application, go to the bottom left and press on home. Now once you're on the home page right here, right below where it says below funds, there's buy, swap, send, and receive. I want you to go ahead and press on buy, and then press on where it says buy crypto with cash. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select your token. So if you're looking to buy crypto with cash, you can just scroll down and see all the cryptos that are being offered here. So there's Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. You can keep scrolling down, right? There's USD coin. There's wrapped Bitcoin, there's Tron, etc. So for this example, I'll keep it simple. I'll just press on Ethereum. Now, once you're on this page right here to buy crypto with cash, you can go ahead and type in the amount that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy, I don't know, $100 worth, you type in 100, 50, etc. And right where it says Apple Pay right here, or debit or credit, that's how you guys can actually buy the cryptocurrency with cash. So for this example, I'll just press Apple Pay and then press continue. Once you're on this page right here, you're going to go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy cryptocurrency with cash here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.